We're here to make sure these skills are never forgotten.
So the next generation will become heirs to the outdoors.
When you think of hunting, the first place that pops into your mind usually doesn't involve a major metropolitan area. After my run-in with a few turkeys in a local neighborhood in Pittsburgh, we decided to look into the legalities of it all since we weren't completely sure. Remarkably, we did discover, after extensive research, that the Game Commission has absolute authority over all hunting matters. No local ordinances have jurisdiction whatsoever. As long as you follow the general rules, hunt only on public land or property that you've gained permission on, know your safety zones, and obviously know what's in season, you're fine. Our biggest tip though is be extra discreet. Avoid unnecessary attention if you get my drift. Huntstand is extremely useful for that matter. So we're going to give the Steel City a shot and see if we could score a bird.
We can't shoot shotguns in the city for turkey, so we're gonna give this a shot. I've seen multiple gobblers. They literally are just like 20 yards from this tree the last time I scouted it out. So we're gonna go a little deeper into this field and we're going to try things out. As long as it's city up property, which it is, and it's within 50 yards from a house, we're legal. But this is some ghetto stuff, and hopefully there's no one who has a problem with it. But this is the craziest thing we've ever done to kill a turkey.
Those other ones might move over here. They really just bounced right off. They didn't even fly out. They must have hit something. Yeah, it just fell off. What do you mean? I don't know. I don't know what happened. Oh, he's going down, he's going down, he's going down. Oh, he's down, he's down, he's down. Cool. Dude, you got one. I can't believe that just happened in the city. Yeah. Dude, I wish we fucking knew that would have been it, you know? But it never happened. Get out of here.
Alright guys, so that was one heck of an adventure, really. It was so awesome, really just being there with Brian, because, dude, if you didn't make that shot, you wouldn't have gotten anything.
But yeah, it was. I wasn't even going to bring my bow, and as soon as he shot, something wasn't right, so I went and grabbed my bow like this, and that turkey was still beating the hell out of the decoy, and I pulled back and made the quickest shot I could, hit a little bit more low because I just put the pin on there and shot, but you know, it was lethal. There's blood coming out of his mouth, so we know he hit him, you know, in the lungs and everything. But I had to go get him, and it was just really cool. Good job on scouting, man.
Perfect, and it was like a perfect tag team. I'm so proud we got this bird, because not only did we get it, but we got it with a bow and arrow, and we got it urban style. Like, that's amazing to us. We've never done this.
Yeah, I think a lot of people, like, they're afraid to hunt in certain places, especially with the, you know, types of people in Pittsburgh or whatnot. But if you know the law, you don't have to worry about it. I've hunted like on rivers, you know, with waterfowl. Now we're doing with this, and a couple other spots we have. He's going to be scouting throughout the summer. We're going to be deer hunting urban. So if you like this kind of content, please, you know, hit a subscribe.
Smash that subscribe button.
Yeah. But anyways, if you want to see more content like this, just please let us know in the comments and we'll make more. But anyways, let's make some breakfast, man. I owe you some eggs.
Sounds good. Let's go.